What's up everybody, Andrew here with the Medellin Buzz with another video. We are going to tour an apartment in this building right behind me. You want to stay until the end of the video because we're going to do a walking tour of this beautiful neighborhood. You'll see where we are. We're in a very sought after neighborhood. I actually love this apartment. I wish I could live in it myself. Let's go take a look. Come on. All right, as we walk into this one, you can see that this is a very open concept design. It's got a lot of natural light. A great breeze flows through here. There's no air conditioning units because you don't really need it in here, but you can put it if you wanted to. This is a professional grade kitchen. The reason being is that the owner is actually a chef and owner of a famous restaurant here. And I'll let you know who it is. If you are interested, make sure to click in the link in the description, fill out the form, and I'll add you to WhatsApp and we can talk. This is the laundry area where you have the washer dryer in the back there, a lot of storage space. That's what I do love about this apartment is that the layout allows for you to pretty much design it the way that you want. They have the living area over here with that little dining table right next to it and another living area behind where I'm walking here. This is the first bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is a full bath. So this is the social bathroom plus the bathroom for the person that is in that other room, the second bedroom that doesn't have a bathroom. So as we walk down this area, we're gonna go into the master bedroom first, which is right here. A lot of space, king size bed, big TV, 2 chairs. I mean, the potential for designing this the way that you really want to make your life great is awesome. And of course, the view of Provenza. I mean, this is Provenza over here. It's far enough away from all of the nightlife where you're not going to get all that noise and tourist traffic, but it's close enough that you can walk there, which is awesome. This is the walk-in closet, the master bedroom. A lot of space. I personally do love this one. The square meters on this one is 140 square meters, which is about 1,500 square feet. The asking price on this is 1,300,000,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 303,000 US dollars. Now it is negotiable. And again, if you are interested in learning about this and seeing the comps, because I think it is very well priced. I've done the comps already. I can send them over to you. All you got to do is click on the link in the description, fill out the form, and I'll send them over to you via WhatsApp. This is the other bedroom. What I thought was interesting is this little balcony that it has. Even though it doesn't have a bathroom, it does have its own balcony with a lot of natural light that comes through here and a pretty cool view of the valley here. Yeah, the price per square meter on this one is about $2,170. And that is very competitive because it is under 10 million Colombian pesos for something as beautifully done as this. It was remodeled and the location is amazing. We're going to see where it's located here looking out over this balcony, which is a very big balcony. Big enough for a barbecue. I thought that was interesting that he doesn't even need a balcony. He doesn't even need a barbecue out there because I asked. Because his kitchen's so great that he's like, I don't need a barbecue. I could do all my barbecuing on my professional kitchen here. I'm like, okay, you've got a fair point. So yeah, this is the apartment. I think it's a really good deal for someone that wants to live in it or put it up on Airbnb. He has it on Airbnb, so we have those numbers that we can get from him as far as occupancy rate and how much the cap rate is or the return on investment is. But the kicker is the location. So let's go outside and take a look at where it's located and walk over to Provenza. All right, so that was the tour of the apartment. Now let's take a look at the neighborhood. We are in the neighborhood of Provenza. We're only about a 10-minute walk to Provenza. So we're gonna walk over there, have some coffee or something to eat over there. Let's check it out. One of my favorite things about this neighborhood is that even though we are in Provenza and we're in El Poblado, is that it is not as hilly as some of the other neighborhoods farther up the hill or the mountain here. Take a look at this building. These are some iconic buildings here. As we look up into this building, you can see how beautiful it is. These are pretty new buildings. Many of you might have stayed here via Airbnb or maybe in some of the hotels because there is a hotel on this street as well and you might recognize this area. I've included this apartment in another video, and people asked me where this was located. So I wanted to make this video to show you where exactly it's at and why the price is what it is. As you can see, we're super close to Provenza. So in regards to Airbnb, the occupancy rate is really high. And of course, it's a beautiful apartment, so the pictures sell it. And the location sells it as well, because obviously if you're a tourist coming down here, you want to be next to all of the action, all of the restaurants, etc. So love this area. Let's go, let's keep walking. All right, so we've walked about maybe 4 minutes. We're at our first cafe. It's called Ganso y Castor. This is kind of like a little brunch spot, good for breakfast, good for lunch, good for some coffee. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. That's so good. Love it. Let's try this. Caveman style. One of the things I love about my life in Medellin is what I've preached on my channel is lifestyle design. The beautiful thing about living here and being able to work remote, being able to live in a neighborhood where I can walk around and have coffee at any time, have great meal anytime, and it's not gonna break the bank. I mean, that investment alone is worth the money. Obviously, if you invest in a property like the one that we just saw, and you get a good return when it comes to renting it out on Airbnb, that's just icing on the cake. So let's finish this up and keep walking. Cheers. All right, we made it to Provenza. We're 1 block away from Provenza, but right here on this street, you have famous restaurants like OCI, El Cielo, La Causa, etc. So let's walk down into Provenza, check out one of my favorite shirt shops. Let's go. Vamos a grabar. It's crazy to think that 15 years ago, none of this existed. It was all cars going through there. Now it's all pedestrian and commercial. I wish I had the money 15 years ago to buy an apartment in this area. I mean, they're worth so much more now. And I know that 15 years from now, they're gonna be even more expensive. So if you have a dream of buying an apartment in Medellin to live in or to rent out, or maybe both, click on the link in the description below. Somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.